Alright, this is just a video to catch you up on where the channel is going. So people that have been subscribed for a while will know that I haven't been the best at getting videos out in time, but I'm going to improve that. I'm going to start taking this YouTube thing a lot more serious. I'm going to start using more things at my disposal to get videos out. Alright, so what you're going to see first, probably the first thing you probably see is I'm going to do a build video of how to build the 3-phase injection set. And once I've got that done, I can swing back and start doing Arduino energy monitoring stuff. I want to get the power quality functions pulled out of it so we can start getting a power quality monitor stuff going. I'm going to do more videos about power systems, stuff like protection systems that we have on the networks. I'm going to do more basic videos on series and parallel circuits, mesh analysis, that sort of thing. If you're a student just starting, that might help you. I'm going to start doing more. I'm going to do equipment reviews. I'm going to show you what equipment that I use on electricity networks on day-to-day purpose. I'm going to tell you a bit more about what I do for those that are interested. I've been working for a power company for the best part of 15 years, and I've been working in the electrical industry for about 25. So 15 of that was working for an electricity transmission network. So I'm going to talk about different tests that we have to do on the network, different stuff that I've learnt. Get that out there. All right. So if that sort of stuff interests you, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, come back for more videos.